How to install and operate an ACER electric permanent magnetic chuck. Step 1. Connect the 220-volt 3-phase cable to the chuck control's power input terminal. Step 2. Connect the chuck cables C1, C2, and ground to the chuck control output terminal C1, COM, and ground. Step 3. Turn on the power. The green indicator light should be on. Step 4. Turn the holding power knob all the way to the right to reach the maximum holding power setting. Step 5. Turn on the chuck's magnetism by pressing the red button. The green light will flash and the digital display will show 30. The part should not move after this step. Step 6. Turn off the power. The part should still be holding in place. Step 7. Turn on the power again. You will see that the display screen is still showing 30, which means the power of the magnetism is still on. Step 8. Turn off the chuck's magnetism by pressing the yellow button. The green light will flash twice to show the demagnetization function, and the number display will turn off. The part should be able to move immediately. Step 9. In order to reduce the chuck's holding power, turn the holding power knob left. Press the red button to activate the holding power. The display will show a smaller number to indicate a weaker holding power. Step 10. Turn off the power. The chuck's magnetism should still retain the weaker holding power.